frankly, once it happens, because it will happen, we're going to have a situation where Donald Trump is in charge of the executive, he has a supine Congress, and he will have a supine Supreme Court. And we will essentially move from the American government to the Trump regime. This is a very dangerous time, and that's what people
Hang
were
on,
protesting
the Trump regime, there are still checks and balances in the U.S. system.
What are those?
I mean,
what are those checks and balances? If you've got Congress, if you've got the Supreme Court, if you can set the rules, if you can make and unbreak the laws, and nobody will respond to you, and nobody is responding to you, what are the checks and balances? That is exactly what we are about to see disappear, unless there is a huge wave of Democratic victories in the midterm elections. But we know perfectly well that the Republicans are going to do everything they can to prevent that from happening, and I don't just mean by winning votes. They are already in a process of taking away suffrage from large numbers of people in key states. So we are looking at a really very grim situation, and I don't think we should underestimate it and talk about checks and balances as an abstraction. The question is, what are the real checks and balances going to be? And they're essentially going to disappear.
Sonia